Why did a top hedge fund cut its stake in this weight loss company? Renaissance Technologies established itself as a premier hedge fund on a global scale. Let's delve into their recent strategic move involving Novo-Nordisk. Novo-Nordisk is a Danish pharmaceutical company that's been raking in money from sales of its obesity drug over the past year. In a recent shift, Renaissance Technologies recalibrated its holdings of Novo-Nordisk, trimming its position by over 3 million shares, representing a substantial 22% decrease, from 13.8 million shares in Q4 2023 to 10.7 million shares in Q1 2024. Despite this notable reduction in shares, the value of the holdings experienced only a marginal 3% decline, slipping from $143 billion to $1.38 billion. This minor dip in value compared with the substantial decrease in shares signifies the resilience of Novo-Nordisk's stock price, contributing to the sustained strength of the fund's overall investment position. Curious about expert investment strategies and market insights? Follow and subscribe for more updates on strategic investment moves and analysis. Level fields, elite investing, effortless AI.